were sailing the night across the big ocean until they saw this holy Masawa Island. Magellan landed in Masawa, no. The people met them very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the thing we had done, because Kastila had waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, crowd met him there very happy. All people were baptized under the Church of Christ, and thanksgiving in our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize everyone, but Lapu-Lapu made him mission and drive Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad and took camouflage. Mactan Island we could not grab, because Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then and dawn, halls and stairs, there's those cats and hounds. When Magellan was still listening, tumbled down and cried. Oh, mother, mother, I am sick. To let the poor very quick. And to the doctors, surely die. Till my mama do not cry. Till my mama do not cry. Till my mama do not cry. Magellan, the island of Mactan.